Hi, I'm going to explain these two problems that you were having trouble with. So this first one we want to simplify. We have 1 plus 3 over y divided by 1 minus y squared. So we want to look at the denominators, which we have y and y squared, and we want to come up with the least common multiple. So the LCM of y and y squared, well, that's going to be y squared, because we can take y into y squared. So we're going to multiply everything by y, well, we're going to get everything to have a denominator of y squared. So let me kind of write this out. 1 plus 3 over y over 1 minus 9 over y squared. So the 1 we need to multiply by y squared over y squared. And the 3y we just need to multiply by y over y. This one, again, we need to multiply by y squared over y squared, and then we leave the 9 alone. So here we've got y squared over y squared plus 3y over y squared over y squared over y squared minus 9 over y squared. So now we can combine these fractions. So up top we'd have y squared plus 3y over y squared. And in the denominator we'd have y squared minus 9 over y squared. Now since our two bottom fractions are the same, we can actually cancel them out. So that leaves us with y squared plus 3y over y squared minus 9. We need to simplify this, so if we, in the numerator, we can factor out a y. So that'd be y times y plus 3. And in the denominator, y squared minus 9 is a difference of squares. So we can factor it as y minus 3 and y plus 3. Okay, so now our y plus 3's cancel out, and we're left with y over y minus 3. Okay, so that's the first problem. The second one, we've got 1 over 5w plus 7 over w equals 1. Now, if we multiply through by the least common multiple of the denominators, which is going to be 5w, we can actually clear our denominator. So we're going to multiply every term by 5w. So the first term, the 5w's cancel out, and we're left with 1. The second term, the w's cancel out, and we're left with 7 times 5, so that's 35. And then here we have 5w. So here we have 36 equals 5w. So we divide both sides by 5. And we're left with w equals 36 over 5. Okay? Let me know if you have any other questions.